go through this book, you're gonna learn so much and it's gonna be so much fun. Let's review the farm and pet animals. This is the farm and pet animals book. This is the cow and this is the bull. The cow says moo. That's a goat and this is the sheep. The sheep says ba ba. This is the cat. Cat says meow meow. And the dog says bow bow. That's a horse. That's a camel. The horse says neigh neigh. The camel lives in the desert. That's a rabbit. And that's a ferret. That's a llama. That's a yak. That's a donkey. That's a rooster. Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. That's a guinea pig. This is a hamster. That's an emu. This is a parrot. That's a duck. That's a goose. The duck says quack quack. This is a hen. That's a turkey. Good job, everybody. Now you have learned so much today. I hope you enjoyed it.